Let's see if you're in the 1% US Geography Club. I'm asking you 11 questions about US Geography, where 100% of people will know the first question, while only 1% of people will know the last question. Starting with the one that everyone should know. How many states were there in 1995? How many states? Say your answer. That is 50. What body of water borders the west side of Florida? The west side of Florida. Come on, you know this. That is the Gulf of Mexico. What is the least populated state? The state with the least amount of people. Which one? That is Wyoming. What is the most densely populated state? Not the most populated, the most densely populated state. That is New Jersey. What is the capital of New York? Capital of New York. Come on, you know this. That is Albany. What is the flattest state? I'm not talking the woman, I'm talking the land. The flattest state. That is Florida. Which 4 states border the Oklahoma Panhandle? Which 4 states border the Panhandle? I'm going to give you a second because you got to think for this one. That is Texas, New Mexico, Kansas, and Colorado. What is the southernmost city in the continental U.S.? The southernmost city. Come on, you know this. That is Key West, Florida. If Cincinnati was located in California, where would it rank among the most populated cities in California? So if we took Cincinnati, we put it in California, where would it rank among population in California? Come on, make a guess, because there's no way you know this. That is 15. What is the third most populated city in Wyoming? Number 3, make a guess. That is Gillette. And only 1% of people will know. How many times would you need to drive back and forth through the longest part of Rhode Island in order to cover the distance from the Earth to the moon? So how many times would you need to drive through back and forth Rhode Island to cover the distance of the moon? If you're within 100 times, I'll give it to you. That is 2,488 times. How'd you do?